Serbia, and I'm a minister for 7 years. Tanja Miščević knows that. She was chief of negotiation team while I became minister for EU integration. We are not interested to be second-rated member state. Why should some would like to be second-rated member state? Not to participate in any decision, not just to be a part of some never-ending process. So I really think that new methodology, and we accepted immediately, Serbia immediately, even we didn't know what is it about. No one told us how it will look like. But we immediately accepted, proving that we believe in good intentions of European Union and the best intentions for the, let's say, fostering the process, making more dynamism, etc. I just want to share something with you and, of course, all people here. Immediately, we have reshuffled all our structures. Negotiation team, Ministry for EU integration, in accordance with the criteria of new methodology. Now we have no chapters. We have chapters thematically, in a way, grouped in 6 clusters of joint common European policy. We have more political guidance in the process. President included himself, engaged himself, and Prime Minister in the area of rule of law, because this is the key issue now, and it was for Serbia as always. And by the way, we accepted that rule of games will be changed for Serbia in the middle of the game. And we said, okay, that's the fact, we will accept that, we are fostering our reforms, we are completely ready in this moment for 2 clusters, meaning cluster 3, this is inclusive growth and competitiveness, and very charming cluster 4, green agenda, digitalization and sustainable interconnectivity. So we are ready, and of course delivering in parallel on constitutional reforms, judiciary, independence of judiciary, and all other important, I don't want maybe now to widen this story, but all these rule of law criteria. And I really think that it would be crucial, and believe me, as much as I'm lobbying for opening cluster of Serbia, I'm lobbying as a Minister for EU integration from Serbia for opening accession negotiations for North Macedonia and Albania as well. Because that's the point, to have something to show that new methodology is alive, that someone really appreciates all reforms that we are delivering, so we are not stuck in the process. Because I feel that we work a lot. So in Serbia, nothing is stuck when it comes to the reforms. But when it comes to the procedures and the concrete steps in the accession process, nothing happens. Not only for Serbia, nothing happens for anyone from the region. And just one word for the Open Balkan initiative. We often hear some kind of criticism because the question was, why now you need another regional initiative? It's an overlapping and it is the same goals, etc. But this initiative came jointly by prime ministers of Albania, Serbia, and North Macedonia, which means that it is based on the trying to reach and to increase mutual trust. Just a short, brief comment on the Open Balkan initiative, because I don't understand so much talking about that, to be honest, because Tanja explained rightly that it was 47 initiatives. Now we have 17 regional initiatives, and you can imagine how much they are overlapping in some particular aspects, in some particular political, economical, social issues, etc. But it doesn't mean that other channels for any other new challenge for communication is a healthy way to talk, to cooperate, and to find proper solution. And I wouldn't see that as some kind of attempt to endanger or to neglect all other initiatives. And I'm very sorry that someone is interpreting this initiative in such a way.